I'm not going in that basement.
But you have to. Billy's down there.
Not my problem.
Okay. Mom, are you gonna go? I'll take that as a no. Well, let's all hope for the best for Billy. What the heck was that?
Ahoy, villagers!
Billy? I thought you was in trouble.
No, Michael Myers helped me.
Michael Myers?
Yeah, I forgot he lives in the basement too. Interesting. What kind of basement do we have? Filled with freaks of nature. Who said that? You shouldn't have said that, Dad. Sorry? Thanks again, Mikey.